got my fully tricked out sweet ride.
I have been eyeing camper vans, RVs, trailers for about 30 years now, and I just love the idea of being able to stay longer in a place if I wanted to stay, or leave right away, or I don't need RV parks if I didn't want them. I just love that.
We helped Laura find the shelf for her camper van, and she ended up choosing this new 170 wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. After it arrived, we got straight to work on the rough-in stage, which includes framing and installing windows. Jesse's our go-to man for that job.
Hi. Hi.
Then it's on to the pre-wiring.
Hello. Just wooden wires.
Fun stuff.
Fun.
And the flooring.
I'm retiring. I'm a cliche. I'm gonna retire and boho it across the United States. It just is really gonna be fitting in with my lifestyle now. I've got some boys that are gonna be empty nesters soon, and we're gonna do some little trips together and separately. Yeah.
Have the boys been in a camper van yet, or?
No, they haven't. Come on in, boys.
Yeah.
Today I'm doing all the cutouts on the walls so that we can put those babies up.
Marina jumps in the project at this point, completing the rough-in stage and starting on the plumbing.
That's a little trick I figured out. These are like really tight to put on here sometimes, so it like totally softens it up and just slides right on.
This whole time, the fabrication team has been making the furniture in the wood shop, and they bring it to the van for install. Are there any specific features in the van that were a must-have for you, and why?
There were several. Everything from the swivel seats to the induction stove, to the sink, to the refrigerator, to the microwave, to the did not want to shower inside. I didn't want to take up that space. The bug screens, all of it was needed for me. And so I got it all.
You got it all. Good morning, Marina.
Good morning.
What's up? I missed these going in, but what are you guys doing from here?
I gotta put on this countertop, that way me and Blaine can do the drain for the sink that goes under the van. Then I'm gonna put all the stove and the fridge and door faces. After that, probably get started on this bench.
So storage in a van is very limited, so we often try to optimize as much as we can. And the solution to that is benches, which also serve as a seating solution. But not only that, they often serve as storage or a place to hold the different toilets that we offer. In this particular case, a composting toilet.
How do you think owning a camper van will change the way you travel?
It's gonna change the way I travel. My dog is coming with me. Hello, that's huge. She is a standard poodle, so she's
nice.
big. She's really tall, but she's my little buddy. And probably our lizard too, because she can't be left behind. So.
What kind of lizard?
She's a gecko. I have a little mobile tank for her. It's a girl.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that was actually one of the main things of like, I want to do all this traveling, but I don't want to leave my pets behind.
Okay, so we've wrapped up Laura's van. We put everything and anything that she wanted in there, and now it's time to deliver it.
The self-containment of being able to disperse camp is truly exciting for me. I last traveled across the United States, 25 years ago in a Subaru Forester with 3 dogs in a tent, and this is gonna be so much better.
Big difference. It's a little upgrade.
The most expensive birthday present you've ever given yourself?
Yeah,
Well, happy birthday!
Yay.
We could do for your birthday.
Not even timed that way. Just
So you got your big galley on this side, which is so nice. Sink. I think the drawers ended up looking really good actually on either side.
yeah.
Um,
Just pop over there.
Yep. Overhead cabinet, microwave.
I got my fully tricked out sweet ride. Yeah, because the seats turn around, so you can bring the table around to have that.
Yes. And then you have your nice bed, closet.
Oh yeah.
Toilet is facing forward, so you can look out your window, you know, when you're doing your business.
It's a throne fit for a queen.
Everybody poops. Yeah.
So this, basically, when you have to empty this, it's kind of big, so this whole thing comes off.
Oh, that's
And
convenient.
It's easier.
Magnets.
on magnets.
Oh,
Yep.
it just lifts that. Oh, good. That's a good big
A
one.
lot of storage under there.
I know.
That's the refrigerator. There's a freezer on top.
Look at this.
There's lights under here so you can see like at night.
Come see this, boys.
And then your outdoor showers here, on the hot and cold. And this can hold 500 pounds.
Oh, great. I'll put the kayaks in here. Did these lights just come on as soon as the doors open? Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, and all this is made out of bamboo.
And I got
Yeah, the bug
mosquito
screen.
screen. I got bug screens to come down so we can park and leave the doors open.